Tiara is the lead designer for a new AI-based health recommender system. She decides to include an explanation UI to help users to understand why specific recommendations are given. For Tiara, explainable AI is a new area to design for. Thus, her colleague Luca draws her attention to a compilation of situated case studies. It contains real-world scenarios of explainable AI design challenges. Each of the cases explores various situated practices of users and designers. One case study from the medical domain is of particular interest for Tiara. Here, the researcher team aimed to balance the trade-off between the need for unrestricted data in individualized medicine and the protection of patients' personal data. Differential privacy was employed in a machine learning pipeline, and explainability scenarios are used for reflecting on the design of explanation UIs from the perspective of different stakeholders. The researchers assumed at the beginning that they only needed to explain the functionality of differential privacy to the patients. They then realized that it is the medical experts who first need to understand how differential privacy affects the accuracy of the classifier. This trade-off can now be communicated in the explanation UI to the patients. This allows them to make an informed and value-based decision regarding their data donation. They understand how differential privacy protects their data, but also how it impacts the usefulness of their data for medical research. The compilation of situated case studies allows Tiara to critically reflect her own setup and how to approach the design of her system as a situated case as well. In our paper, we suggest building such a corpus to improve our understanding of the design space of user interfaces for explainable AI.